Use your StageGO account to sign in to the services. Choose the devices you want to set up. Enter your script name and click the Set button. On the Settings page, click Configurations. Over 200 script commands at your fingertips. Now, let's try to set up the language. In the System Settings, click Language, and choose the language for your devices. In the Wireless sections, click Connect to Wi-Fi and key in the account information. When you finish all scripts, you can save it for next time and print it immediately. Pick up your devices and select StageGO app to capture the barcode. Now your device is available in latest setting. Speedy staging and deployment with 3 simple steps. Create, print, scan, and walk away. StageGO. Ultimate Staging Solutions.